students. Hopefully, you all are doing good and staying at home. So, as you can check out the things on your group, that many of the faculty members are sharing their notes, modules, video lectures on a regular basis, and this is expecting from you all that you all are going through it, right? So, these are the things which we people are providing you for your benefit only, right? So I expect and I request you people to just go through all the notes, all the video lectures which are floated. These are just to give you assistance, right? So as far as my subject is concerned, research methodology, in the class we have already covered first, second, third unit, and fourth unit is being taken up by some other faculty, and I would be taking unit number 5. So, unit number 5 will be all about report writing, it will be all about graphs, pie charts, histograms. So, these all things will be there in this unit. So, this unit is not very much complicated. If I talk about graphs, histograms, these are the things which you have already studied in 9th, 10th class, in 11th class, in statistics and all. So, these things are very much basic for you people, right? So and we will be discussing today report, means we'll be discussing that what is report, what is report writing, all these things will be covered today. So let's have a quick look over the content. This report, as you all know, this is something in which you are going to have a very formal document that is written for a variety of purpose in the science, social science, engineering and business disciplines. So this is something, a document which is being prepared in various companies as well for the future reference. So these are the things which are prepared by the company, by the scientists, by the engineers for their future reference, or just to give a quick look to the higher authorities at what are the various things, what are the affairs going on and how the things are going on. So basically this is just a gist of the things whatever you have done so far, right? So when we talk about report writing, so you are supposed to consider various things also, so that your report can be good, it can be easy to understand. People should not face much trouble in understanding the things, right? So report is basically, it provides assistance to the top management, it provides assistance to the government academicians. So this is a guide basically for all the concerned person, and they people use it. So when we talk about the significance of report writing, it is considered a major component of the research study, for the research task remains incomplete till the report has been presented or written, right? Suppose some task is being allocated to you and you are saying that I have completed this task. You are working in any organization and you are saying that you have completed that task. Things do not work out in this way. You have to prepare a report, and that is to be mailed to your boss so that he can just have a look over it, that what are the various things which were assigned to you and how you have materialized the things. So this is something which is required in the organizations also, so that's why we study report writing here. We are studying this report writing also here, because after a particular time period you people will be going for the jobs, and there you will be assigned certain tasks and you will be required to prepare the reports and submit the report to your boss. So you people must be aware that how to do such things. So that's why it is being taught in this discipline. Now, if we look the next point, the purpose of research is not well served unless the findings are made known to others. This is very much important. You worked on your report, you have decided the objective, you have decided your problem, you have decided your hypothesis. But if you have not mentioned the findings, means whatever work you have done so far, what is the outcome of it? What is the thing which you have learned from this? What you are going to conclude from this? So this is something very much important. Task of report writing must be accomplished by the researcher with utmost care, and he may seek the assistance and guidance of the experts. See, if you are into organization and a certain task is being assigned to you. You have completed that task but you do not know how to prepare the report. So in that case you can take the help of your seniors, of the experts in that organization, so that they are going to give you guidelines that how the work can be done and how the report can be prepared. So this is something which plays a very much important role. So report is something which is important for the academicians, for the employees who are working in the organization, for the scientists, for the government. So this is something which is important for everyone. When we talk about the different steps in writing report, so first step is logical analysis of the subject matter, means what is your subject and how you will do the things and what will be the sequence of your content. So this is something which we are going to decide in advance. Preparation of the final outline means how the things will work out, how will you do the things. So this is something which is to be decided in advance. Preparation of the rough draft, so that is to be prepared in advance. Rough draft is to be prepared and you have to do the editing and revision. Editing is to be done if it is required, but revision is very much important. So you have to just revise the things, you have to go through it first time, second time, third time, and many a times you take the advice of your experts also. So draft is to be prepared. Then rewriting and polishing, as I told you, that you are going to just check out the things, that whether the things are in line with whatever I decided earlier, and if the things are not going in that desirable way, so I'm going to rewrite it and I'm going to make the corrections. It can be the case that my findings are not correct. It can be the case that my grammatical mistakes are there. Font size is not okay. So all these things also again we need to check out, since when we are writing the report we are not writing for ourselves but for the seniors, but for others. So this is to be written in such a way so that the people can understand the content, people can understand it, that how you have written this report, and it should be very much clear, right? Preparation of the final bibliography means in this you will be writing the means suppose you have taken some content through certain websites, or you have taken some content through from some books, some newspapers, some magazines. So you have to mention the references, that from where you have taken the content. So bibliography is something you are just writing about your references, that from where you have taken this content. So this is something which is to be mentioned very much clearly. If you are not going to mention, then it comes under patents and copyright, and if you are not mentioning it, so some legal action can also be taken against you. So you have to mention that also. And writing the final draft, when you have revised the things, when you have check out that the logical analysis is being done, you have done proper sequencing of it. Sequencing, when I talk about, I am talking about the objective of the research. I am also talking about the research methodology. I am talking about collection of data. I am talking about analysis of data. I am talking about the findings which you have got. I am talking about the conclusion and the suggestions. So this sequence we need to check out, that whether we are working in this particular sequence or not. Rough draft is prepared, then we do the rewriting of it, then we do the polishing of it. We also mentioned the bibliography. We have taken assistance through certain references, we have taken the data, so that also we are going to mention, and then we write the final draft, right? So just have a quick look. When we talk about report, it is a formal document that is written for various purposes, right? It can be for science, engineers, business disciplines. Business disciplines means we are talking about the different organizations who are working in, suppose I talk about sales department, marketing department, production department. So these departments are supposed to prepare the report. Significance, when we talk about, this is something which is important for the government, this is something which is important for the academicians, this is something which is important for scientists. So these are the concerned person for whom the report is written. Steps, when we talk about, we do the logical analysis of the subject matter, then we do the preparation of final outline, preparation of the rough draft, writing and rewriting and polishing, preparation of the final bibliography, and writing the final draft. So these things we are going to do. So students, friends, today I have discussed just only 3 slides. I expect and I want you people just to go through it, and then rest of the things will be covered tomorrow. Okay, so bye bye, take care of yourself.